It's Monday, January 6, 2025. It's 8:51 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. Keeping an eye on SPRC, second highest gainer, up 157%. High of day is where it's setting, $1.36. Does have positive news. A European patent application they put in for some sort of medical. Currently halted on this move up. I'll see what it's going to do once it frees up and I'll return. I have an order in on SPRC and I am in the trade. I have 180 shares at $1.53. Profit and loss is showing here. See if we can get another push up. And I am out just that fast. Let's go take a look. Okay, that was a quick $10.74, about a 3% gain on that trade. I was in this 26 seconds. In at $1.53, out at $1.59 with 180 shares. And if we take a quick look back, I was in and out on this candle right here. The very next candle, it did halt. It's now halted again on its way down. So kind of messy in here. I'm glad I got out when I did. As a scalp trader, you don't want to take a lot of chances and get involved in these suspensions. The longer you hold, the more risk you take on. So again, a quick, just about $11 almost. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.